I've got to cut some 45s today on this strip of approximately ½ inch square walnut. And I don't have that Felder 700 saw quite yet. So here I am with a little miter box. So here we go. Guess I'll do this left-handed. Pretty tight fit with this style of crosscut saw. So you play for a little bit of windage on the kerf, and here you go. Yeah, right. It's a little rough, but I think it'll get by. So there you have it. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.